Hello guys, my name is Brian, founder and CEO of Project Msimbo. In this short video, I want to discuss some of the most common questions I get regarding Python, like what is it, what can you do with it, and why is it so popular? In other words, what makes Python special compared to other programming languages? Python is the fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just amongst software engineers, but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, networking engineers, and even kids, because it's a very beginner-friendly programming language. People from different industries use Python to handle a variety of tasks, such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and automation. In fact, automation is one of the biggest uses of Python amongst people who are not software developers. If you constantly have to do boring, repetitive tasks such as copying files and folders around, renaming them, uploading them to a server, you can easily write a Python script to automate that process and save yourself some time. And that's just one example. If you continuously have to work with Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, CSV files, download websites and parse them, you can automate all these tasks with a simple Python script. So you don't have to be a software developer to use Python. You could be an accountant, a mathematician, or a scientist and still use Python to make your life easier. You can also use Python to build web, mobile, and desktop applications, as well as test software or even get into some ethical hacking. So Python is a multi-purpose language. Now, if you have some programming experience, you might say, but Brian, we can do all this stuff with other programming languages. So what's the big deal about Python? Well, here are a few reasons. With Python, you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. Here's an example. Let's say we want to extract the first three letters of the text hello world. This is the code we'd have to write in C#. This is how we do it in JavaScript. And here's how we do it in Python. See how short and clean the language is? And that's just the beginning. Python makes a lot of complex tasks really easy with a simple yet powerful syntax. Here are a few other reasons why Python is so popular. It's a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management as you would in C++. By the way, I have to add here that if you are interested in learning C++, you can contact me through my website to schedule private lessons. Getting back to Python, it's cross-platform, which means you can build and run applications on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there's someone out there to help. It has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, which means whatever you want to do, it's likely that someone else has done it before because Python has been around for over 20 years. So, in a nutshell, Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. All of that means Python is awesome. Technically, you can do anything in Python that you can do in another programming language, but Python's simplicity and elegance has made it grow way more than other programming languages. That's why it's the #1 language that employees are looking for. So, whether you're a programmer or an absolute beginner, learning Python opens up a lot of job opportunities for you. If you'd like to learn Python and have limited to no understanding of programming, Project Msimbo is an excellent place to start. We teach Python how it ought to be taught, through supplying our learners with a host of impressive projects. The projects you'll complete while at Msimbo aren't beginner-friendly addition and subtraction calculators, but rather advanced programs that will immediately show their value to employers. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, please check out our website for more details. Happy coding!